Hi, hello, BGR tutorials, AI technologies, and this tutorial. So many software videos and networking videos. Please subscribe our BGR tutorial point videos, share and like and comment. Thank you. Hello, friends. Welcome to back my channel, BGR tutorial point. My old channel is the Tech Dude 8481. Please support, please share, please comment. Today topic is role of subnet mask. What are the key features of subnet mask? Now I will explain. The subnet mask is the 32-bit numbers which separate IP address into ports. The networking ID and the host ID. The both are divided. It tells device which versions of the address belongs to the networking and which identify individual device. By doing this helps determine which device belongs to the same local network and which device is reserved to different networks. It supports efficiency networking organization, better control of data flow, and overall improvement security management networking. The example of this role of subnet mask is the IP address is taken by 192.168.1.10. The subnet mask 255.255.255.0. This is the IP address and subnet mask. This networking is the 110.0.00000. Total is the 6 zeros dot. This way, the host is the 00040 zeros and 1010. This way, this subnet mask is help divide in large networking into small subnet. Subnet is improving your networking efficiency, security, and performance. Function subnet masks. Why use subnet mask? This subnet mask has class A networking, which means the 16 million hosts in the networking manage such a large networking becoming challenging due to maintenance of UG network. Security of the networking, for example, we have to determine to company all your other 4 departments and access to the whole network. Solution of subnet mask. This subnetting solves those problems, dividing into large network into smaller, manageable subnets. Is the each department get into one subnet, improving security and efficiency of the work. Without subnetting, identify a device required the 3 steps: identify of the networking, identification of the host, identification of the process. In case of address with the subnetting, is the process reach in address is done by 4 steps: identify of the networking, identify of the subnet, identify of the host, identify of the process. Suppose class C networking is the fixed subnet ID is there 192.55.255. This way, this first and last IP address reserved networking ID and direct broadcasting address. Every subnet have to receive 8 IP addresses in the case. Representative of the subnet mask. Subnet mask is the 32-bit number made is 1S and 0S. It is the identify networking and the 0 is representative device, host is the 1. Routing table of subnet mask. This networking does not match with any other subnet mask. The packets will be sent to difficult to enter. Suppose networking ID I will tell you 200.1.20.2.0. The subnet mask is the 255.255.255.192. It is class A interface. The 200.1.2.64, it is the network ID. The subnet mask is the 255.255.255.192. The class B started. The 200.1.2.128, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. This is the class C series. This is the 200.1.2.192 is the 255.255.255.192 is the class D. The some cases of this match with two entire in the routing table. How does subnet mask work? So many people asking these questions with the viewers. That's why I will tell you this mainly. Please listen carefully. The subnetting divided into large network into small. Subnetwork may be modified the subnet mask. This improving the management of IP address, reduce broadcasting traffic and increasing networking security, isolating different parts. Networking subnetting also help optimize use IP address space and improving troubleshooting overall this networking performance. For example, this subnetting can organize device into logical groups such as separating a company's department of different subnets this way. Traffic with one department does not unnecessarily interface with others, improving the performance security networking classes. The networking class is the A, B, and C and D. The networking class A is started into subnet mask 255.0.00. The address is starting this 126.255.255.255. It is connecting host 16 million computers. The class B is the 255.255.00. It is starting 120.0.0.0. It is starting and the closing is the 191.255.255.255. 65,000. The class is the 255.255.255.255. It is starting is 192.0.0.0 to start and 223 into 255 255.255. It is connecting only 254 systems only. The advantage of subnet mask, the another main important topic of this subnet mask. Reduce networking constantly limits broadcasting traffic, improve networking speed, efficient IP usage, allocate IP-based need, avoiding wastage, enhance security by isolating subnet. For example, no other department with any organization should be able to view code created by development. Enable departmental segment. Higher networking priority may be need for your some business subnets than other. For instant sales department may be need to hold the video conference and webcasting permissions. Supporting scalability allow networking to grow while remaining organization. What are the main disadvantages of this subnetting? The limited IP space, dividing network reduce available IP for subnet. Additional hardware subnet reduce the overall number of IP address in the network, but it could purchasing extra hardware like a router that is the cloud very expensive. Complex setup required export into plant configurations the subnets. Compatibility of issues. Older devices or system may be struggle with the subnetting configuration. Please subscribe my VGR tutorial point and my world channel Tech Dude 8481. Please comment, please share, please ask any networking questions. Thank you. Have a nice day. Welcome.